Hey, Power Wheels enthusiasts! Are you ready to rev up the excitement? Journey with us today as we explore the fastest Power Wheels on the market. Whether you're a passionate parent seeking the ultimate thrill ride for your little racer or a kid eager to leave your friends in the dust, we've got you covered. From speedy electric designs to rugged off-road champions, these Power Wheels offer adrenaline-pumping fun that you simply can't miss. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's zoom into the world of advanced racing machines that are guaranteed to bring joy and speed to your backyard ventures. Number 5. Sopbos 24V Kids 4x4 Ride on Truck. The ultimate off-road vehicle for adventurous kids. This impressive ride is powered by a robust 24V rechargeable battery paired with 4 powerful 550 electromotors, ensuring thrilling performance on grass, dirt, and even moderate terrains. The spacious 19-inch seat with a safety belt guarantees a secure ride for children up to 110 pounds, while the remote control mode allows parents to take the reins when needed. Kids will love the integrated MP3 player, USB port, and Bluetooth connectivity to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go, with cool LED lights, double lockable doors, and EVA rubber tires that provide superior traction and comfort. This ride-on truck is not only fun, but a fantastic gift for birthdays or special occasions. It's no surprise that this ride has an Amazon customer rating of 4.0. making it one of the fastest Power Wheels out there. Get ready to create unforgettable memories on wheels. Number 4. Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler. This battery-powered ride-on is not just a toy. It's an experience that mimics the iconic Jeep styling with a striking grille, rugged roll bars, and authentic fenders, designed for fun on any surface. This vehicle boasts multi-terrain traction, allowing your little ones to conquer hard surfaces, wet grass, and rough terrains with ease. Featuring 2 speed settings, 5 miles per hour and 2.5 miles per hour. Parents can feel secure with the high-speed lockout option. The easy-to-use power lock brake system adds an extra layer of safety. Plus, keep the adventure going with an extra 12V battery that fits any compatible Power Wheels vehicle. Although the Charger is sold separately, rated 4.4 on Amazon, the Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler is the perfect choice for aspiring off-roaders, making it one of the fastest Power Wheels out there. Get ready for endless outdoor fun and excitement. Number 3. Infin's Kids Ride on Car Truck is the ultimate gift for little adventurers, providing a realistic driving experience that kids will love. Powered by a robust 12V battery, this eye-catching purple ride-on is perfect for children aged 3 to 8 years. Featuring 3 adjustable speeds for thrilling fun, the 2.4G remote control allows parents to supervise their child's driving, while the non-slip foot pedals and comfortable steering wheel help kids master their steering skills. Equipped with LED lights, a multifunctional music player, and Bluetooth connectivity, the ride-on ensures endless entertainment. Safety is paramount, with a secure seatbelt, sturdy construction, and wear-resistant wheels designed for various terrains. Rated 4.4 stars on Amazon, this fastest Power Wheels option guarantees both excitement and peace of mind for parents. Watch your children embark on adventures with the Infin's Kids Ride on Car Truck. Number 2. Joyldia's Ride on Car. An officially licensed Mercedes-Benz G650S. This enchanting electric car not only captivates with its sleek design, but also offers an exhilarating experience for little ones aged 3 to 8. Equipped with a 12V7AH battery, your kids can enjoy 45 to 60 minutes of non-stop fun at speeds of 2 to 4.5 kilometers per hour. Parents can switch to remote control for added convenience, allowing for safe cruising. And let's not forget, it boasts awesome features like Bluetooth connectivity, music, a horn, and dazzling LED lights that make night drives a blast. Safety is paramount with a slow start/stop function, safety lock doors, and a comfortable seat with a belt. Made from durable materials, it can handle various terrains with ease and includes a handy luggage handle for easy transport. With a stellar 4.0 Amazon customer rating, the JOYLDIS Mercedes-Benz is the perfect gift for your child's birthday or Christmas, promising countless joyful adventures. Number 1. Autoro 24V 4WD/2WD switchable ride-on cars. A thrilling adventure for your kids. With 4 robust 100W motors, this kid's electric vehicle boasts a powerful 4WD mode perfect for tackling rough terrains and a smooth 2WD mode designed for long drives on flat surfaces. The standout feature is its spacious 20-inch two-seater design, accommodating 2 children aged 3 to 4 or a single child up to 8 years old. With a maximum weight capacity of 130 pounds, safety is paramount. Equipped with seat belts and apparent remote control for easy supervision, the vehicle features a soft braking system that halts the car within 0.5 seconds, ensuring a secure ride. With a solid structure and an impressive playtime of 1 to 2 hours, your children can enjoy the excitement of fastest power wheels while you relax knowing they're safe and entertained. With an overall Amazon rating of 4.1. This ride-on car is not just fun, but also a smart choice for adventurous families. In conclusion, the world of Power Wheels offers thrilling options for speed-loving kids and parents alike. From customizable models to advanced features, we've explored the fastest Power Wheels that can truly elevate the riding experience. Remember, safety is key when enjoying these speedy rides. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video with fellow enthusiasts. And let's keep the adventure going.